What's up, guys? I'm the unnamed review guy, and today we're looking at the Whitestone Dome Glass screen protector for the Galaxy Note 10 Plus and Note 10 Plus 5G. Big shout out to Whitestone Dome for sending these out to me for a review. All opinions, like always, are my own. They also did send me out the Note 10 versions of this, but I don't have a Note 10 to demo those on, so we'll just be sticking to the Note 10 Plus version, which is currently on this device here. I'll put some video from the installation process here as well, but right now I'm recording this after the fact of installing it. So this Whitestone Dome screen protector is still one of my favorite screen protectors when it comes to screen protectors in general, tempered glass ones especially, because while it has many steps to install, as you guys will see through the B-roll that I am showing now, while there's many steps to install these things, they come out the best of any screen protectors. You rarely ever get any bubbles underneath it. You really shouldn't get any bubbles underneath it. They are always usually perfectly aligned. I did mess up on that a little bit this year, but usually they're perfectly aligned, and they just come out looking the best of all screen protectors. And if you have a Samsung Galaxy device, you are going to be needing the in-display fingerprint sensor from this phone. So the in-display fingerprint sensor only works with certain screen protectors, and while we did see, while I have seen people replicate the Whitestone Dome screen protector effect with a tempered glass screen protector and some local glue, it's kind of the same thing, but also, you get, if you're trying to install, especially for the first time, I would definitely go with the kit, because you're definitely getting the kit from Whitestone Dome, and I think that's what Whitestone Dome has that's different from other screen protector companies who are offering a similar product. I mean, this is a patent pending product here, but from companies who are offering like some similar products or some knockoff Whitestone Domes, a lot of times they don't come with proper kits or proper instructions, so you don't get the perfect alignment of the screen protector on screen like Whitestone will give you, unlike Whitestone will give you. So the screen protector looks great. Again, I've been using Whitestone Dome screen protectors for a while now, and I've had very good experiences. I've made little mistakes, like I said, with this one. It's a little bit down too far. I don't know if you can see that, but I've made mistakes installing them, and they're always usually minor mistakes if I do make a mistake. But they always usually come out still being installed properly and better aligned than just sticking down a regular tempered glass screen protector on your phone. I do prefer the tempered glass screen protectors on my phones because it gives you an extra layer of glass over the screen, unlike a plastic screen protector. Don't get me wrong, I'm not hating on plastic screen protectors, but I do think that this screen protector is really the most worthy, I would say, of the tempered glass especially. So I am going to leave a description down below if you are interested in buying this screen protector. I'm forgetting the price right now. I shouldn't really, because I've done so many reviews of these things that the prices usually remain the same. I'll put the price in the screen right now, but I forget the price. It is a little steep. I will tell you the price is a little steep on these, but I think it's worth it. Personally, I think it's worth it. Some people might argue with that, but personally, I think it's worth it over a lot of other tempered glass screen protectors, just because you are getting that kit and you're getting that whole easy setup process. It's not necessarily easy. It's very lengthy with a good amount of steps, but it, in the end, gives you a better result and finished result than other screen protectors give you. So I do think it's worth it. The link will be down in the description below if you are interested. Thanks, guys, for watching.